Hi everyone, Carter Heiser, owner of Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. Let me walk you around this 2018 Hyundai Tucson SEL. Now this is a front wheel drive, so that means it's cheaper to buy, it's cheaper on gas mileage, it's cheaper on insurance, and you know what? You still have all the great ground clearance you need for getting around on the snow. 36,000 miles, it's local. We sold it to the previous owner. It's two owners. Has the balance of factory warranty, clear Carfax. We got the big touchscreen with Apple CarPlay, all the USB hookups you can need, phone hookups, heated cloth seats, power driver's seat. It's molten silver with the gray interior. Passed the inspection with flying colors. Now we just did an oil change on it. 36,000 miles. You can see it at Autorama Auto Sales in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. You know, we're the dealership that doesn't have the outrageous hidden fee. So come on in, take a look at this 2018 Hyundai Tucson SEL with only 36,000 miles.